morning from Hawaii. I am here. Today is actually our last full day in Hawaii, which I'm so sad. Our total trip, we've been here for 9 days, so we've been here for quite a while. The first portion of our trip we spent with my family, like my grandma and grandpa were here, my parents, my auntie. So my family was here the first portion, and they actually left two days ago. And my fiance actually surprised me with my cousin and her boyfriend, or her fiance. So I will include that in the vlog. Yeah, it was like a whole thing. She made a video and I was watching it, and it was like their journey to Hawaii. And then I heard a knock on the door and they were here, which has been amazing. It's been so much fun. I'm so sad it's our last day. Sorry if it's noisy. Clearly I'm outside. I'm gonna do a get ready with me, so I'm gonna just start getting ready while I'm talking. Let me show you the view. You can kind of see it behind me, but this view, so this is what I'm looking at. There's tons of people already out in the ocean, a bunch of boats, and then Waikiki Strip is right here. So yeah, that is what I'm looking at. I really honestly haven't gotten ready this trip. I got ready once because we did go out for my birthday. Too much. I have like my makeup bag behind my camera because, as you can see, like my little tripod, I don't want like a big gust of wind to come and like knock over my camera, so I have my makeup bag like right behind it. The reason why I'm getting ready today, all the other days I really just put my moisturizer and sunscreen and my eyebrows, which is always why I love having lash extensions. You can just wake up and go. Plus, we were mainly just at the beach and stuff, so I don't really have a need for makeup. As you can tell, I am burnt. I didn't have any time to pre-film any videos before we left for Hawaii because I got engaged. So I don't know what videos are gonna go first. I was hoping to have like my engagement video up first, but now I have a lot of like Hawaii content and this content, and so I don't know what's going up first. But I did get engaged right before Hawaii, which is why I didn't have time to pre-film any content, because one, we were just celebrating our engagement and yeah, soaking it all in, and so I didn't have time to pre-film anything. So it's been like weeks that there's no new video on my channel. But when we return from the Hawaii, content will resume. My nose is really burnt. Anyways, so the reason why I'm getting ready today is my cousin is here. My cousin and her boyfriend are here now. A bunch of motorcycles. So the original plan when we moved to this hotel after my family left, it was just gonna be me and Maynard, and we were just gonna chill and beach bum it and eat. So we didn't really have any plans, but now that my cousin and her boyfriend are here, they're actually getting married in Maui next year, and so they need some save the date photos like in Hawaii or like on a beach, kind of tropical, to make it tie into their wedding. So I'm gonna take some photos of them on the beach, and we figured why not us take some cute engagement photos as well. So that's why I'm getting ready, because honestly I haven't gotten ready at all this whole trip, which is really nice. I need chopstick, my lips are so dry. It's so relaxing, getting ready to like the sound of the waves crashing and just beach. my nose is like so burnt that foundation's not really sticking to it. So there's that. It doesn't really look. My burn, like I was facing the sun and I didn't move, and look, now I have like a line. It's so blue. I'm just getting ready now. I think my cousin is picking up some spam musubis for us, and then we're gonna go to the North Shore today, get some garlic shrimp, and then what else? Take the pictures and then go to the beach and hang out, and then eat dinner somewhere. And tomorrow we leave in the afternoon. I'm so sad. So we get back, tomorrow is Monday, so we get back tomorrow night, and then on Wednesday night I actually leave for my friend's bachelorette trip in Mexico. So, but that's why there's not any vlogs or there's not any new videos for a while, because I will be gone the rest of this week as well. So yeah, this trip has been a lot of fun. It was really special being able to go on a vacation with my grandparents. It's been a really long time since we went on a trip with them, and they haven't been to Hawaii in like 40 years or something like that. So it was really nice for them to be able to come back and see how much has changed. Every time there's a gust of wind, I'm just like, please do not fall over my phone. A lot of our friends are here at the same time. So that was fun. We got to go out for my birthday with some of our friends. I don't think I'm gonna do anything too crazy for my makeup. But I am gonna curl my hair after. So. Oh my god, my coffee! Thank you. Got Kai coffee. It's just downstairs in our lobby. We're staying at the Hyatt Regency. It's really nice. It's right across from Waikiki. My favorite, I think, is still Island Vintage, but oh, also, I am filming on my phone, and majority of the vlog is on my phone, because I thought I had emptied out extra SD cards, and I don't know if you use cameras or SD cards yourself, but you can like delete all the footage off of your camera, but sometimes it'll be empty. Like if you play back, it's empty, but then when you put it in your camera, it's like there's no room for anything, because you have to format your SD card like on your computer, and I didn't bring my computer or my iPad or anything like that, so I have like 2 SD cards that are full that I couldn't use. I just decided to just use my phone, because I feel like also, one, it's easier for me to vlog to just like whip out my phone. I can really hear people's music from up here. Actually, it's coming from upstairs. Bronzer to make me match the rest of my body. So I'm pretty much done. I do have to curl my hair. I'll put my lip on before we leave, but yeah, I'm pretty much done. Okay, so I'm gonna go curl my hair real quick. that is it for this get ready with me. The rest of the day will be on my vlog, which will be a separate video, so be sure to be subscribed to my channel so you don't miss out on that and all my upcoming content. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Sadly, the next one will be in Hawaii, but don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys! Finished look.